HTTP is dead, but not in the way you think. So, what does the sentence actually mean? Let's unpack it. First, what HTTP really is. When you open a website, your browser sends a message to a server. HTTP is just a set of rules that answer very basic questions. How does a browser ask for something? How does a server respond? How do both sides structure the conversation? Basically, HTTP decides how a request and a response should look. Method on top, path next, headers below. That format is HTTP. The browser sends an HTTP request. The server replies with an HTTP response using the same rules. It doesn't encrypt data, protect passwords, verify identities, prevent spying. HTTP assumes the network is trustworthy, and that assumption aged very badly. When you see plain HTTP, everything travels as readable text over the network. Your browser sends requests, the server sends responses. Anyone in between can read them. That includes Wi Fi routers, ISPs, proxies, and attackers on public networks. If you log in over HTTP, your credentials are visible. If you send cookies, they are visible. If you submit a form, its data is visible. That was acceptable in the early stage of web, but it is unacceptable now. This is why people say HTTP is dead, because the risk model has changed. The web moved from static pages, no logins, no payments, to a very different form. Accounts everywhere, tokens and cookies, personal data, financial data, and whatnot. So the need for protection came into the picture. HTTP exposed all of this data because it had no built in encryption. HTTPS is not a replacement for HTTP. This part is often misunderstood. HTTPS is HTTP running inside a secure connection. The HTTP rules are still there. Same methods, same headers, same status codes. What changed is the transport. Before any HTTP data is exchanged, the browser and server now verify identity using certificates, agree on encryption keys, establish a secure tunnel. This happens using TLS or Transport Layer Security. After that, HTTP messages are encrypted first so that outsiders can't read or modify them, and integrity is guaranteed. The browser and server decrypt the messages using the keys. So when you see HTTPS, it means HTTP is still talking, but no one else can listen. Once HTTPS became practical and fast, browsers decided insecure pages will be marked, insecure forms will be blocked, insecure cookies won't work reliably. Not because HTTP stopped functioning, but because security became a baseline requirement. Today, cookies, modern APIs, authentication, payments, and everything requires HTTPS. At that point, using plain HTTP became pointless. It still works, but nothing important is allowed to rely on it. So, is HTTP actually dead? No. HTTP is still the core model of the web. What died is trusting the network, sending sensitive data in plain text, pretending security is optional. HTTP didn't disappear. It learned that the internet is not a safe place and adapted.